This is Rick from the Main Guide channel. If you heard that, that was a text. I am doing a video of Medal of Honor, the first one that was made. I have to be real quiet because it's early in the morning, and my dad he was puking earlier, so I need to be real quiet. And it's in the morning. This is the first level. I'm gonna be doing Crash right after this. I've never watched these before, but since I'm doing a video, yes, I will watch it. I'm not gonna be as loud as I was. Sorry, just readjusting the phone.
Now, from time to time, we recruit people from outside of the regular ranks, especially if they've got a particular skill we need. Like you, Lieutenant Patterson. What you did last Monday got our attention. I know you consider yourself just another anonymous pilot in the transport corps, but taking out half a dozen of the Wehrmacht and then sneaking back into friendly territory is quite an impressive feat of soldiering by...
I don't know if I told you this, but I'm going to be doing Crash Bandicoot 3 right after this. So, yeah.
High marks for weapons and munitions training. You were the top marksman in your class. Excellent leadership skills. Noted for being especially smart and resourceful. I also had your university transcript pulled. You were just one semester away from getting your aerospace engineering degree before you enlisted. You had earned straight A's from start to finish. In short, Lieutenant, you're just the kind of man we're looking for. But it's completely up to you whether you want to join us or not. Unfortunately, there's not much time to make a decision, so if the answer is yes, you'll be on a plane within the hour heading back to France. If it's no, you'll be ordered.
And the flash isn't on, guys, so you won't see the flash when you're watching the video. That's why I'm going into the dining room every end of the video and shining the light, because you can't be able to see my face. I don't read that ever. I never read that. Stupid. Just kidding. Medal of Honor on to victory. This is the first that was made. I'm gonna put that in the title for every episode. Medal of Honor the first. I always shoot at this plane. This game is real fun. Sorry, my dad's explaining it because this level is so dark. Sorry if it bothered you, just tell me in the comments. I don't care. It takes three bullets to kill one guy. What the? And by the way, this is Germany, so if you don't understand it, I'm sorry. Open up the door. Get some ammo, some health. That's my health bar at the top left. I thought I was stuck. Went out the window. Like a robbery. I have to be real quiet because it's early in the morning. I don't think you get subtitles on this game, so you can't read the people, what are they saying. I'm gonna check if they have subtitles, but I don't think they have subtitles. Ever. These boxes might explode. Yes, I told you. So be careful. Be aware that they explode. Yes, all of these explode. It's a trap. And these explode too. These are full gasoline. I'm not even bothering with that. Hopscotch. This guy I like to kill because look at this. Look at this. By the way, guys, you can crawl on this game too because you need to crawl. Look. Doesn't even know I'm here. But look, I'm gonna throw a grenade. How do you even notice that? Uh-oh. If you die on the first level, then you need some practice. Yes, I always like to do that. This part is so fun. Like I didn't even see us. Oh, you did. Get on the gun, you can blast them away. It's so fun. You coming? Yeah, I have to shoot. Oh. I think that's all. Yep, that's all. If you shoot, this is random, but if you shoot this guy, look what happens. Look. He falls on the ground. Not like that, a different way. Nope, didn't do it. This up here, I don't know what he's running from, but I think it's a meeting. That was a text. If you heard that in the video, just ignore it. I say that every time. I don't know what he's running to. I have no idea. If you saw that plane at the beginning, that's what happened to it. These guys shot him down. And it used to its controls. This guy, he's just sitting there, mind his own business, and now he's dead. Rifle rounds. Sometimes a guy is waiting from this door, but no, not this time. End of the level. Keep it up, soldier. Look at all those planes, and I'm on top of a mountain. Great. 3 stars. Some levels are impossible to get 3 stars on. I have no choose code name. There's a no. I didn't mean to put E. I have no idea what to put. I'm just gonna put random letters. 3 F's in a row. There. This is my name. I had no idea what to put. Send. Wow, that's a good name. I actually played this game once before. I'll do my old game again. Fine. Let's crash. I have no idea what to overwrite. I have no idea what that game is. I have no idea what game to overwrite. I overwrite my old one. I'll just try my old one again. Sure. My code name is Jaku Revu. I had no idea what to put. Game save. I'm saving my game after every 3 levels. I just wanted to save there. You get different weapons each level, so you don't get to pick your own weapon. I don't read that ever. The fight continues. I don't know if you could read that. This guy's so easy. I have to destroy this radio. Radio transmitter destroyed. This guy falls from, I don't know, a balcony. Falls from that. He dies. Oh, I hate these guys. It's so hard. You can break the glass. Yeah, I thought, yeah, you can break the glass. Nice, that has a little picture of an ice cream on it. I don't know if you can see it. Get down. Oh, look what else I got. I got a machine gun. I had no idea. Right in the head. Rifle rounds. This looks like a shotgun, not a rifle. But they look, that holds a rifle. These guys hold a rifle, but I don't think that I do. It looks like a mini shotgun. It actually does kind of look like a rifle now that I look at it. Good, more ammo for this. This gun is so good. They both said alarm. Now you can understand that. Half of, oh yeah, you get objectives too. The main menu. Oh, that's super bright. I don't know if you could see that. So foggy. I'm just looking at the phone right now. It's just I can barely see that. This guy's waiting for you. Quit saying alarm every 2 minutes. Hey, sit there, explode, die. Explode and die. He kicks it towards me. He'll run flying back. This guy is so smaller than the other guys. Ammo, I want ammo. That guy can't even see me. He's blind. Whoa, that scared me actually. I forgot a guy was even there. Why do I keep getting rifle rounds? I don't have any machine gun rounds. This guy is so short. Fall down the stairs. I'm gonna break the windows. Let all the cold air in. Oh, that's all I can shoot. Ah, didn't know that. Oh my, that scared me. Forgot a guy was even there. Just sit there. Oh, a rifleman. He did the same animation twice. Oh wait. There's the foggy screen again. I got both of those. Okay. Watch this. Boom. Everyone's dead in this room. 2 of them are. Did you? Oh, what was that? This guy also at the sneak. Nice. Sneaking shot. He didn't even expect it. This guy hates his job. He wasn't even looking. I know that you can understand me, Germans. You can hit me with your own rifle. Yes, he can hit you with his own rifle. Yes. Hitting does a lot of damage, more than a bullet does. Why, I have no idea. There it goes again. I hate when he says that. It's weird though. I can't understand it. There's a code where you can put in the English language actually. What? Which ammo do I have for this? Wow, 143. How much you get for one rifle thing? How many bullets? Like 4 of them. I'm still gonna right in the middle of the room. He's covering it for his guys. He's protecting his guys. He's like, I'll protect any guys. Any other guys died too. I don't know what the point of that was. He's crawling away. That's a giant tank. He has a machine gun. There's a giant tank here. Point at me. Kill me. Just kidding. Don't kill me. No one else is here. Throw a magic grenade down there, and it just disappears out of thin air. Three stars. I'm gonna save right after the next level. I won't read that. Who killed him? I already know what I'm gonna name this episode, listen. It's a rip-off, but it's funnier. Look. Who let the dogs out? That's not the name of this episode. The people who directed it, I have no idea, but don't get mad if you watch this video. If you don't know that song, look it up. I'm gonna name, that's the name of this episode, is Who Let the Dogs Out. Whoa, that scared me. I mean, I heard the dog, but I think there's 2 in this room. No. I'm in a sewer now. You're German too, I obviously knew, but look at this glitch. Completely dark. Watch this. I don't know if you can see that, but it just went pitch black. There was a glitch. I think let's go this way. You have to go in here and get the great weapon. Shotgun. I'm gonna be using the shotgun for the rest of this level. The magic flip of death. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, that dog was so hard. Why did they put one dog right there? Did that guy say in the background he can't help me? I just heard that. I've heard that before, but I never noticed that that's what he said. I think that he said he can't help me. Watch this. Oh, I forgot to show you something so amazing. See this grenade? See this grenade? Look, a dog picks it up with his mouth. He thinks it's a dog whistle. Oh! Oh, I forgot you have to back up when you do that, because the grenade can just kill you. I died. Oh wait, no, I'm going the wrong way. Whoops. I'm just gonna skip that guy and just keep going. You already saw this, I'm just gonna skip and do the whole thing. Well, that glitch actually scares me. It's scary. Don't kill me. Stepping through this level. By the way, to get the shotgun was one of your objectives, by the way, guys. I'm stuck on your dead body. He died. They put a single human there and a single dog. Alright, here's where I died last. Grenades can kill you in one hit, by the way. He said he can't help me. Alright, now here's what happened. Is the human down here? No, the human died. Now, here's where I left off. Now guys, I'm gonna back up. Oh, he's not eating it. He puts it in his mouth and thinks it's like a dog biscuit or something. He thinks it's a dog biscuit and he eats it. And he's like, here you go, little doggy, eat your dog biscuit. And then it explodes into his mouth and he dies and he blows up into a million pieces. Again, he said he can't help me. Alright guys, this is the end of the level almost. This is water right here. Watch it. Didn't explode. Alright, did I do all the exit sewer? There's the foggy screen again. Why do I even pause? Did the level. Think I got 3 stars, I hope.
Declaration, the tone for D-Day was set. Allied troops were towed across the channel, seated inside gliders, whose pilots had only one chance for a successful landing. Thousands more traveled France aboard U-boats, amphibious landing craft, indicating the Allied triumph on D-Day. But the fight for Europe was just beginning, and not everything was going according to plan.
Medal award, I only got 2 stars. Medal award, I'm gonna save. What game do I save on? Let's see. Let's HTFFFWSASD. Wait, oh my god. All of them have D's in one row. Oh my god, that is so cool. Alright, save 4% done. Over it, game. Better bing. I think I have time for one more level. Yeah, I do. One more level, guys. I'm gonna save and then end it. Return to War Room. Alright, destroy, sneak into the war station.
Congratulations on your first mission.
We're gonna listen to this, do level, and then save, end it, do Crash 3, Crash Bandicoot 3, Port 2. Alright, right after this, by the way.
Your new assignment is a dangerous one.
It's dangerous? Why'd you send me on it? It's in France. The E is in another state or country. I have no idea.
Now, the Germans have carried over some bad habits from the last World War.
Oh yeah, I'm going undercover here. I just ruined it.
Oversized pieces of artillery. You may have heard of the railguns Dora and Gustav. Well, meet their new sister, Greta. It became fully operational last week. This is the only.
Oh, I love the last mission in this section.
They've spent the last 7 days shooting it at the channel. This was a fuel tender, and this was a hospital ship. Greta's actually smaller than the door on the Gustav, but it's capable of firing a more powerful shell. And its reduced size gives it a high degree of mobility, so they're always able to move it before our bombers can get there. That's why we're sending you in to do it.
Why you send me in for every hard
The
mission?
transport leaves at 1900 hours. Knock her out of commission, Lieutenant. Good luck.
The first mission is actually kind of fun. See you in a hotel. I got a silencer pistol. Look outside. Look how, I don't know. Oh yeah, there's an objective up here.
May I see your papers, please? My mistake, sir.
Two of them already. No, those two objectives were so easy.
Your papers, I call them.
Thank you. To do this. I got everything. Is there any ammo left? Why is there another red book here? I got it. Glitch.
Can I help you find where you're going, sir? My mistake, sir.
Thank you for letting me in.
My mistake, sir.
Watch this. I always do this. It's so funny.
Sorry, sir. Have a good night.
By the way, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but they don't have fingers. Oh, I mean, yeah, they don't have any fingers.